The world is getting more and more complex for our customers. It's not electrical safety, it's a lot of other aspects they have to reflect in the production, in the design of their products. And the end users are very demanding nowadays. The supply chain, are a lot more complex. You might do the design in one location. You're buying different parts in different locations of the world, and you assemble them in different places. And at the end, you have to make sure that you get the right quality, safety, and all the things you want to have in your product. Even in, let's say, simpler products, if I may say that, like vacuum cleaners, you have microprocessors today. So you not only do electrical testing, you have to do EMC, electromagnetic compatibility testing. You have to check for toxic chemical substances. You have to look for energy efficiency. So you have to bundle all these services, and you have to do it in a way that it fits to the industry. Our mission statement overall is to support our customers in their global trade, to get the right quality, safety, environmental aspects, and also the corporate or social responsibility into their products. And important requirements are standards. We're participating in 50 different committees in the IEC standardization process, and I think it's very important for our customers, for our clients, because I think with our help, the standards can be developed in a way that later on you can test according to these standards. I think it's important that you have standards, that devices from different manufacturers can communicate. If you don't make sure that this is working, your market is a lot less than the market you have if you follow standardization protocols. If you have to start, to make a product without any standards, I think you get caught up in the basics and you're not focusing enough on the features of a product. An interesting development is the CP scheme, where you have an acceptance of different labs of test results, and I think it's very important, if you want to support global trade and customers, that you have a basis on which you can accept test data. And I think the CP scheme gives a great platform for that. 30 years ago, if you wanted to sell a product, let's say in Germany with a GS mark, you had to bring your product to a German testing organization in Germany, get it testing and get the certification done. When I came into that business, the industry was in a stage to say, we not only want to start selling in one country, we right away want to sell in many different countries. And I developed a concept which I called worldwide approval. That means to test in every country for every country, to form international testing organizations which can do that. All the large testing organizations nowadays followed that principles, and it was a great experience for me to be part of that history.